Hi, welcome back. Sorry if the screen looks a little bit different. I had kind of an error recording this video earlier, so I'm actually recording it again. But I think I've recopied all the rhythms and everything from the last example. So it's the same example. It just might look a little bit different because I had to redo the video. But anyway, what we're going to do now, since we kind of talked about this measure in the last video, that's why the beat markings are already underneath these, the notes in this measure. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fill them in for the rest of the piece, and we've been doing this for long enough with marking these beats, and I kind of don't want to have to keep switching between my colors. So I'm just going to go through and get all the rests in blue first, and then switch and get all the notes in red. So anyway, here we go. So we don't play beat 1 right there. We rest on beat 1, play 2 and 3, and then we rest again on beat 4. Okay? Then moving on, play on beats 1 and 2, rest beat 3. Okay? And then we're done with this line because we already got this measure. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. In this measure, the way it's written here, this whole rest is taking up the entire measure. So we're just going to write in our rest 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. And then this measure, we're going to play on 1 and 2, and then we're going to rest 3 and 4. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense for you, and hopefully I didn't go too fast with that. If I did, maybe you should watch some of the earlier videos where I kind of explain this a bit more and go a bit slower. But anyway, hopefully you're following along. So there goes my pen, kind of freaking out. Okay, so now we're going to go in and put our beat numbers under all the notes. So on this one, we've got downbeats on beat 2 and beat 3. We attack on beats 2 and beats 3. Then this measure, we attack on 1, hold into 2, and 2 is in no man's land. Then we rest on 3, and we attack again on 4. And then we're done for this whole top line because we already did this measure. And now all we have to do is fill them in for this half note because this measure is already full. So we attack on 1 and hold on 2. 2 is in no man's land there. Okay, so there's our note diagram. And now we're going to put in our green downbeat and hold arrows. So here come those arrows. So on 2 we have our downbeat. 3 we have our downbeat. And on 1 and 4 we're just resting so we don't put anything in. 1 here we attack on beat 1. And then we hold through beat 2 like that. So then that's this half note. Then we don't play anything on beat 3. We rest on beat 3. And then we play on beat 4. So then that's that measure. Then moving on, this measure is pretty easy. We just attack beat 1, rest on 2 and 3, and then we attack again on beat 4. Then this measure is really easy. We just don't have anything in here. We don't play at all, so we don't need any green arrows in there. So then this measure, we just have a half note, so we attack our half note on 1, and we hold it through beat 2. Okay, so that's our complete diagram up here, and I'm just going to give ourselves a metronome marking and watch my pen freak out. There it goes. Okay, so here's our metronome marking. We're going to say quarter note is equal to 70. That's going to be our marking. Okay, and let me pull up the metronome. Again, I know I've been plugging this a lot, but this is webmetronome.com, as you can see right here. Let me see if I can expand that a bit. There we go, webmetronome.com. But yeah, I would really recommend going to this site. This is a great tool, and it gives you this nice readout of numbers when you're using it. And you can also set the beats per cycle and everything. So we're in 4/4, and we've got 4 beats in a measure. So we're set to a 4-beat cycle, okay? And our metronome marking is a quarter note is equal to 70 beats per minute. So we're just going to adjust this up to 70. There we go. And as you can see, I've got a start button right there, so I'm just going to click that, and I know that's off the screen for you right now. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through this on ba, and I'm not going to say the rest out. So here I go. I'll count myself in. 2, ready, go. Oh, man. I keep zooming on this. Sorry. Put this all back. Okay. 2, ready, go. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, so that's the full example. Remember, we've just got this repeat here, so we don't have any other instructions. So we just play these two measures twice and then move on. Okay, so that's what this repeat means, and we'll get into other times where sometimes we would repeat this more than 2 times, or we would repeat this more than 2 times in some instances, and we'll get into that later on in the playlist. But for right now, we're just going to play these 2 measures twice. We're going to or we're just going to repeat once those 2 measures. So anyway, here we go again, and I'm going to say ba on the syllables, and then when we're resting, I'm going to say rest. Okay? So here we go again. 2, ready, go. Rest, ba, ba, rest, ba, rest, ba, ba, rest, rest, ba, rest, 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 ba, rest, rest, ba, rest, 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 ba, rest, rest. Okay? So there we go. That's our example with the bas and the rests. Hopefully this is making sense to you. If it's not, either you can work through some of the earlier examples again in the playlist, or else you can just keep on trucking through the playlist. Hopefully, if you just keep going, try to stick with mainly the examples. You don't necessarily want to, and each example should be labeled. It'll say example rather than introducing a new concept and introduction to note ties or introduction to dotted rhythms or something like that. So hopefully this is hopefully you're doing okay with this. And absolutely, if you feel like I'm not explaining something clearly enough, or you would like me to cover something with more examples or different kinds of examples, please shoot me an email. My email is let me write this down. My email is, get the white, okay, is c.mark, M-A-R-K, dot Halberstadt, Halberstadt, at gmail.com. So please, if you have any comments, or you want to tell me you're enjoying the videos, or you think I should be doing something different with the videos, please shoot me an email. I love hearing from you. I'd love to hear from people about what they think of it. And also, I will respond to emails, and I will try to tailor the playlist and I guess the offerings on the site based on what people are telling me, based on what people are telling me in the emails. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in future videos.